I'd say the restoration for me on the race car end of things is all about the history. I love sort of, in a sense, peeling the onion back and getting back to the core of where that car began. Really tracking it down from who owned the car, from an ownership change. What race history did it have? What affects, who worked on the car? What mechanics, what crew chief? And really getting into the nitty-gritty of it. Like this 993 Supercup behind me, just acquired it for restoration. Some of these cars are forgotten or they're disrespected in a sense where they go through an auction and they're not understood completely. Maybe they're just not presented, or the time wasn't there, or the history just wasn't quite there in time, to get the car completely revealed in a sense, a story. So I like kind of peeling that back and trying to figure out where it started. Was the car one of 7? That's one of the black Super Cups that was built in 1996. How did it become yellow? What was the history? What's the history of the Portuguese flag on the roof of the car? And if you look at the livery of the car, it's all painted. And then you start realizing that that's original paint. And that livery was painted on that car in the Wagenpass book in 1996. And, that's never been damaged in the sense that the car has had to been repaired, and that livery is the same livery as was in the Wagenpass book in 1996 when the car entered its first race. Just cool, and I like the history of it. This car here is a 1996 Porsche 993 Supercup. So this is like another one of those things where the car was overlooked in an auction. It needs a home. It needs a home. So we got a call from our friends at Broad Arrow, said, hey, this car needs a little TLC. We think you guys are the right ones to give this car a new life. And we're just about there. We're on the home stretch. We've sourced and installed the proper set of 993 Supercup wheels. We've gone through, removed an engine and transmission, done a leak and compression on the engine, went through the gearbox, went through the chassis and suspension. It even comes with its Porsche Certificate of Authenticity and its DMSB Wagenpass, which documents its participation in the 2001 GTP Weekend Series, Nürburgring, Spa, Monza, and more. Before that, it raced in the 1998 French FFSA GT Championship with the Estoril Racing team. So it's had a proper European racing life. Later on, the car came to the US, where it's been in continuous ownership since 2008, maintained and prepped by Wright Motorsports in Ohio, and more recently serviced and updated for vintage racing here at Motorsport Classics in Gordonsville, Virginia. It's even seen some special moments, Porsche Rennsport Reunion 3 in 2007, the Cincinnati Concours d'Elegance, and a handful of HPDE events. Just this past September, it podiumed in the HSR Historics at Virginia International Raceway. The car is as honest as they come, only about 30 hours on the gearbox and 55 on the engine, so it's ready for more track time or museum floor, depending on what the next curator decides. The car is now turned around, ready to go to a new owner, whether that's an HSR or it's in a museum, because it's a 993 Super Cup. We'll see who the next curator is going to be, the next custodian, in a sense, is going to be. Motorsport established in 1992 and then later moved to Charlottesville, Virginia in 2003, now based in Gordonsville, Virginia. It's just got an incredible group of men and women that work there. We have everything from race car prep, restoration, storage, service and repair of street car Porsches and classic cars, everything from Jaguar, Aston Martin, Rolls-Royce, Bentley. Just an incredible amount of service excellence and putting the power of professionals to work, for your classic and your benefit.